Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hailey. For those of you who are new here, it's bright as hell outside. Probably would help if I had closed my sunroof. Today I thought I would take you guys along with me to grocery shop and meal prep and organizing my fridge, because I think I'm the one who does a lot of the cooking out of me and my two other roommates. So, thought I would show you guys what I would get. Let's go. So this was frozen, and this is hot water in hopes to try to defrost it faster. I don't know. I plan to make chili, and then these, and then with eggs I wanted to make a little like omelet muffin, because muffin, and then I'll just clean this out as well. I don't even have a can opener for this. How the fuck am I supposed to open this? How am I supposed to open these? Literally went out and bought one.